whiteboard sa akong anak. Okay na. Okay na yun.
I have to. I need to help Derma. Okay, I hate to.
Help you help?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, help me. Si Princess ang kuan. Fix me whiteboard.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
You always say sorry. Okay.
I didn't look here.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, you're right. Oh. Ginawa mo ng haunted house ang bahay natin.
Sorry.
Oh, bisa ka ni, bisa stable ni sa mal kani.
Kana ko. Oh, meron na siya. Meron na internet. Guys.
Wait,
Ang ano niya, PON ang steady.
cheers. My brother. Where is I forget.
Not you. Patay kape dere. Medyo mag-arrange muna kami ngayon.
Ako makita na ID mo. Ay, makita ako na
What?
Nag-arrange kami dito, guys.
What?
Gusto mo, ano sa yapak ni ate? Gusto mo, engineering ka na rin?
Yes.
You want engineering?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Ay,
You don't want police girl? Police woman? Oh, it's big. Don't use that.
Tingnan ko.
Nah.
Watch me.
Oh, princess, it's the ano yan. Dangerous yan. Don't use that.
dyan sa YouTube.
Princess, don't use that. Princess, follow mommy ba? Listen ba?
Okay, Mom.
Stop. Don't use that. Don't use that.
Okay,
Just drawing lang.
Ma,
Shh, stop. Princess.
I need question. Not this on me.
Not decide. I know.
Decide me.
Drawing na po sa tao di are.
I don't.
Hindi lagi ko mag-decide sa iyo.
Okay.
Okay, hindi ko mag-decide, right?
This is my picture.
Okay. Don't use this because it's for the adult. Not good for your, kasi kung ano yun, it's very dangerous
I
yan.
wear it.
No, that's Ate Isa, that's Ate Isa.
My wear this.
Meron bang laman yan? Open daw. Meron ba ka bang whiteboard? Wala na, wala na.
Huh?
Wala na.
I need this works. Like this this is fraction. Not how this
Fraction?
one. Yeah.
Where did you get your, your words, fraction?
Yours.
Me?
Yeah.
From mommy. Oh no. Fraction. Unsan aja mathematics ang fraction. Ang anak naabot na sa mga fraction na word. Sige ka na sa ako. Patakaran ka lang. Fraction. Addition yun. If you see the sign like cross, it's a positive. Plus addition, not fraction. A fraction is a minus, no?
Where's my
Okay.
sister? This one.
Divide.
Ang ang fraction dahil sa divide. Subtraction.
Mama, I did that.
No, mami lang mag-use that.
You
Subtraction. Fraction dahil sa divide.
Your sister.
Ay, kaloy.
Wala ko 200 Mbps.
Oh, tingnan mo, ano na. So, ang iyang speed test, oh, nakaraan talaga, 49. Ano sa man to? 169 na, ano niya, 49 la, 769, pinakalaki. Mali yun. Kusog nga siya, John. Kusog siya. Kasi bago lang na. Eh, sa bago-bago
Sa
lang.
iPhone, good. Sa maupos nila ang iPhone.
Ah, ha, 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 ha.
Di ba may iPhone?
What's that, my love? Where did you... It is unboxing?
Pero wala pa nag-delete.
Unboxing ano? What's that? What's that?
I make a cat house.
A cat house.
It's
Cat house.
church. What this?
Hmm.
I make it with that. It's fraction.
It's a fraction?
Yeah, catching cat is my picture. It's one nice. I play Ming is right here, ma. Want to person Ming here?
You want to bring Ming Ming in the, ano, inside the house?
Yeah,
You want?
yeah. She want toys with this. What?
You make a toys?
Yes.
O sige, dami ka ng house ni Ming Ming. What's that? At nabo, namsaki pa ni mo eh.
Another.
Oh, I love your drawing. Oh, kabilis na mag-drawing yung tao. Oh. Mabuti pa siya. Ako, di talaga ako marunong mag-drawing.
Take ma. Give me.
There. Find it there. There, at isa, ano. There.
My
Oh.
sister this ma.
What?
That sister chopstick at Lisa. This ma.
No, not that one. Not that one, ha?
Like that.
Nagamit ko yan.
Where's it?
Hindi ano, find it there, oh.
Find the scotch tape, ano. Magkuhan ni karon eh.
Hmm.
Like